Hey everyone, having trouble with Mint Mobile SMS on your iPhone or Android? This video provides simple steps to troubleshoot and fix the issue quickly. Solution include restarting the phone, resetting network settings, updating APN configuration and clearing cache of messaging. Why Mint Mobile SMS not working on iPhone and Android? Mint Mobile SMS issues can arise due to poor network coverage, especially in rural or remote areas, leading to delays or inability to send or receive messages. Software glitches, outdated messaging app, or compatibility issues between the SIM and phone can also disrupt SMS functionality. Users may experience message blocking as active, errors during outages caused by Mint Mobile's system configuration while using T-Mobile's network infrastructure, enabling airplane mode, insufficient funds, or blocked incoming services can also prevent SMS from working properly. Fix 1. Toggling airplane mode. Turn airplane mode on and off forces the phone to reconnect to cellular networks, which can resolve temporary network connectivity issues affecting SMS. Swipe down the quick settings on Android or click on Control Center in Apple. Turn on airplane icon, wait for few seconds and turn off it. Fix 2. Restarting the system. A soft reset clears temporary glitches and refreshes system process, helping resolve minor configuration or compatibility errors that may prevent SMS from working. iOS, press and hold the side button and either volume button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off the device, then press and hold the side button again to restart when the Apple logo appears. Android, press and hold the power button, then tap restart or select power off. Wait a few seconds and press the power button again to turn it back on. This refreshes system processes and resolves minor glitches. Fix 3. Restart RCS features. Disabling and re-enabling RCS, which is a rich communication services, refreshes chat features, resolving conflict between RCS and traditional SMS protocol that may block messages. Since the option to manage RCS is not available in Samsung default messages app, switching to Google Messages automatically resolved the issue temporarily by offering better compatibility with Mint Mobile's network. Open Google Messages, tap on three-line icon at the top right of the screen, go to settings, click RCS chat, toggle it off, wait for a few seconds and toggle it on. If senders don't enable the RCS features, you may not send MMS or SMS. Fix 4. Deregister old device. If you have changed to mobile recently and RCS is not working, the feature may be active in old mobile. Sometimes Google Message does not work properly if it doesn't recognize the device. For Android, go to Google Deregister tool page, enter your 10-digit phone number, enter 6-digit verification code and click Verify button to register it. For iPhone, if you have used iMessage before, go to Deregister iMessage page. Enter your phone number and code from the image. Click Send code. Enter the received in confirmation code. Click Submit to deregister iMessage from old device. Fix 5. Update APN settings. Correct APN settings are essential for SMS and MMS to function. Update them ensure the phone is correctly configured to use Mint Mobile's network for messaging services. Mint Mobile APN settings name Mint APN Wholesale MMSC http wholesale.mms.com/mms/wapenc multimedia message port 8080 APN type default supple MMSIA APN protocol IPv4 or IPv6, APN roaming protocol IPv4 or IPv6, MVNO type GID, MVNO value 756T. On Android, open settings, go to network and internet or connection varies by devices, then go to mobile network, select the SIM, then go to access point name, tap the plus add button to create a new APN, save the APN and enable it. Open settings, then go to mobile data or cellular data, mobile data network or cellular data network, then go to APN, enter APN detail, select done to save settings, then restart your iPhone. Fix 6. Clear cache memory. The cache can accumulate outdated or corrupted data causing app malfunctions. Clearing it improves app performance and resolve issues with sending or receiving SMS. On Android, open settings, go to apps and notification or apps, see all apps and find messages. Tap on messages, select storage and cache. Tap clear cache, then clear storage if needed. On iOS, you cannot clear cache directly on iOS. Hold the app icon, select remove app, tap delete app, reinstall all the app from the app store to reset its cache and storage. Fix 7. Reset network settings. This restores default network configuration, removing incorrect settings or conflicts that might block SMS functionality. It ensures the device reconnect to Mint Mobile's network properly. On Android, go to settings, then system or general management varies by device. Reset options or reset, then go to reset network settings. Click reset to confirm the action and restart your device. On iOS, go to settings, then general, then go to transfer or reset iPhone, tap reset, then choose reset network settings, enter your passcode and confirm. Fix 8. Check for spam blocks. Contact Mint support 611 or 800-683-7392 or app to verify if your number was flagged as spam. Request support team to unblock your number if it is blocked by network level security. Avoid sending bulk text to prevent future blocks. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.